is the ancient language of beauty and feminine power, and the modern rite of celebration and freedom from the ordinary. It's capable of transforming your mind and body in amazing ways. The Instant Bellydancer series is a fast-track learning system featuring clear and precise breakdown of belly dance moves as trajectories following 2- and 3-dimensional shapes. It's true, even if you totally understand how a step is performed, you still need to invest time to get your body to execute it beautifully and with precise technique. You have to practice every move, and preferably not as a standalone component, but in combinations, in order to commit it to your muscle memory and make it fit your individual movement style. The shortcut that Instant Bellydancer offers you is the most effective and direct introduction of the foundational technique of belly dance. Through a solid instructional method, grouping of movements into clear-cut categories that enable easy recall of dance patterns, and through animated on-screen graphics. As I demonstrate and explain each step, the animated geometric renderings of dance moves are superimposed on my moving image to help you correctly interpret movement angles and directions. My teaching experience has proven again and again that this certainly promotes accelerated learning. The Instant Bellydancer series consists of 2 programs, Fluid Moves and Percussive Moves. Each program features detailed breakdown of every move of classic belly dance, as well as practice sessions and combinations for every move, totaling 60 minutes of practice. In addition, each program offers 6 review practice sessions where you explore a group of similar movement trajectories in combinations. Belly dance movement is organic, deriving from the natural, instinctual motion of the human body. It's doable and fun to learn, no matter what age or body shape you are, and it's a great way to pursue your weight loss goals and get a shape. Dance and enjoy!